Hi everyone, it's Rachel here. I just want to show you a new kit I've got in my shop. It's my Antique Letters digital kit number 4. And so I'll just show you what's in there. I just printed these on regular copy paper draft, so not even high quality. This is the first item, and I just printed them to fit sort of to the page. This is a receipt, and this is a Civil War receipt from 1847 to 1848. So I'll just show you that. This is from one of those antique registers that I had from my mother-in-law, and they date to the 1700s, and I love the colour of this paper here and the script. This is another one from those registers. So that's the first page, and I just love the script on there, 1834. And then, oh, that's separated. Oh, no, this is a letter. Sorry, this is a letter, a French letter, and this is the rest of it. So it was folded in half here. You can see the stain there. So I really like that, the long one here. And then this is the actual document here, so it's both pages, and the script is just beautiful. And then, so I've got one behind, there's 3 pages for that one. Oh, I love this. This is another French one that I've got. I can't see the date, but it is the 1800s, I believe. And so I think there's 2 pages to that, and look at the writing in that one. So these are lots of letters that I've been using for quite a while, and I've been asked by quite a few people, when was I scanning them. This is, let me see, I think this might be French as well. It's absolutely lovely, and it's 1782, this one. This is part of the document here, and then it goes vertical. So that's the back, and I scanned all the pages, and just the writing is yummy. Really nice to just put in a journal as a page, or you know, tear up and make tags and things. So there's actually 4 pages for that one. Now when I name the files, I name it like letter 31 A, B, C, D, so you know which files go together in the JPEGs. This is another one. Did I print that one twice? No, it's a different one. So this one's 1824, and I use this quite a lot. I love all of this, and I can't remember how many pages there were. I scanned all sides. I think just 2, that one. This is a receipt. It's an Italian receipt. It's 1839 to 1840, so that's the other part of it there. And then these are those 1863, that one. Oh, they're out of order now because I've been mucking around with them. These are those registers that I got from my mother-in-law here, 1863, yeah. So they're a few pages. I've got more lovely pages, and I love using these, so they'll go in another kit. And then this is another one. I'll show you what the other stuff in a minute. That's another. This was from this is an Italian. This was like a sort of little notebook, but it was in one. It was from those registers as well. It's sort of like article number 4, so it's different sort of laws or guidelines and that sort of thing that came from those set of books that came from my mother-in-law's cousin. And then what I did was I printed one of the letters on some tea-dyed paper, just to give you an idea. Like, that would be just lovely folded into a journal, put in a pocket, and then you know, and then someone can write on there. So that, just to give you an idea, it's just really lovely. It gives you that old sort of feeling. And then what I did was, I've done different sizing here. I've enlarged. So you can see this was like 10%, this was something like 25%, and this was 50%. But you could enlarge it double, and then just have the beautiful big script to use as well. When you are collaging and things like that. I thought that's fun. And I got that idea from Mary Ann Moss. She enlarged antique letters that she had. So I would actually even double that even further. And I've just photocopied it to enlarge it. Yeah. So that is my kit. I hope you enjoy it. I hope everybody is well. And I am going to come back and do a 3 in 30 challenge. So I'll see you soon. Bye.